Good morning. It's a Tuesday at the end of September 2025, and today we're going to try to attempt to cycle the Muskoka 6, which is all 6 local municipalities in the district of Muskoka in one day. Should be about 200 kilometers, and hopefully I have enough daylight. This time of year we have about 11 and a half hours of daylight, but we'll see if we can get it done. Here we go. Oh, it's cool. Lilo pine. That's some turkeys. It's a bit cold today. It's about 10 degrees starting. But it should warm up to about 20. Bike is nicely weighed down, carrying at least 6 liters of water. Smooth. We actually just had our first municipality change. Now we're in the town of Bracebridge on Lone Pine. A bit choppy. Alright, now we're on Manitoba Street, heading into Bracebridge. It's a bit of a shoulder, not bad. Car's pretty good. And that's your Bracebridge prop over. Another Bracebridge. I'm gonna die on this road. It's so narrow. Second time crossing Highway 11. Oh, drop. Should be a little calmer traffic, thankfully. Heading down to the airport and Gravenhurst. Yeah. Nice wide shoulder here. It's great. Coming up on the airport. It's a long stretch of road. It's great. Old aircraft. No idea how the boat got there. Little Norway Memorial. Drive in. Must be getting close to Gravenhurst now. Gravenhurst. Just gonna kind of go through the downtown here. It's not where the map is taking me, but that's okay. Chair. Some iconic buildings.
scenic, kind of marshy. Not quite a bare bait road, but it's up there. Oh, caterpillar. We're on North W Road. I don't know, North. It's a pretty nice road. Very smooth. Definitely down a quiet road. Get a little nervous because I keep seeing these no exit signs, but apparently there's a trailhead up ahead. So hopefully that's not a massive detour. That would pretty much kill this trip. Okay, back on track now. Took a little detour there, maybe 5K or so. Back on this bare bait road. Hopefully we don't see any. And supposed to be a trail up here. It should connect to another cottage road. All colors. I think we're back on the public road. I was on a private road there for a little bit. This is nice. It's all bare bait though. I've seen a moose. Some nice rocks. Can't really see the ground though. Weeds. I don't know what that was, but that was no road. I think we were back on some semi-pavement now. Gravel. That was all stone. Back to the pavement. Finally. Man, that was hairy. So many rocks. And all the leaves you couldn't see. That was no road. Google Maps, do better. Torrance Barrens. It's pretty barren. Fun road though. Alright, on 169. There's no room on this road. This will be interesting. Only 30K. Get some back here. I think we're in Bala. There's signs for Bala. Beer store. Okay, so we're in Muskoka Lakes. That's good to know. Road. Windy. Oh, 200 kilometers away from Toronto. All right, we're just on our way to MacTier. We got off the 169 and yeah, we're like almost at the 90K mark, so starting to feel it. We made it to MacTier. This is really the furthest point on the journey, so it's a lot to get to here. It's a train museum. There's lots of train noise in the background. It's awesome. So we made it to MacTier. I was saying it's like the furthest part on our trip, so I'm actually going to find a tree to sit under and take a bit of a nap. I think I got time. Leaving MacTier, we're on our way to Rosso. So, couldn't ask for a better day. And roads look good. So, keep going. Oh no, I've got too far. Too far. Fresh pavement. Alright, I think we're on 632 near Georgian Bay. We're trying to get to Clearwater Road. I don't know. Smooth sailing. A little windy, but I still feel pretty good. I'm aware of things, but just enjoying the scenery. Ooh. Clearwater Lake Road, I think. Clearwater Road. Starting to get spicy out. It's hot. Finally in Rosso. Yay. We're on Aspiden Road. Heading to Huntsville. Yeah. I'm excited because that's really the second last one. Although we started in Huntsville, but Huntsville proper. It's Huntsville. Okay, on southbound on Brunel, trying to make it to Lake of Bays, specifically Baysville. It's about 20 kilometers. I am tired. I spent a half an hour resting. But, barring mechanical or some kind of majestic cramp, should be able to get there. Daylight's going down. Well, I guess technically it's done. I'm in Lake of Bays, so that's number 6. Yeah, so we're just waiting for my ride. It's late. All right, officially made it to Baysville. Lake of Bays.